Hello, how are you doing? I'm about to go through the process of installing LED lights to a 2023 Kia Forte GT line. I'm just open up the box right here. I already have one side installed, but I just wanted to show you what was in the box. Here's the LED light with the attached canvas that we're going to install on the other side. So here we have the hood already popped, and we located the right headlight housing. And now we're twisting the cover off that is hiding essentially the OEM halogen bulb for the Kia Forte GT line. Twisting that to the left, popping it off, we're now able to see the halogen bulb inside. In order to remove this, we have to twist the bulb to the left counterclockwise in order to release it from the socket. Once we twist it to the left, it will loosen up, and then we'll be able to pull it out. And then the next step, you'll see it's still attached to a plug and wire. We're going to detach the bulb from that plug. Here we're going to release the bulb from the plug itself by pulling the clip back and the bulb itself up and out. Now we can begin installing the new LED light from last fit. First step is to attach the female side of the plug to the male side of the car's plug. And the reason I'm doing this first for placing it in the housing is because I'm going to check to make sure the light works. So I'm going to go into the car and start up, put the car into accessory mode, and then turn the lights on just for a second to make sure everything's working before fully installing the light. Now we can begin the process of inserting the new LED last fit light back into the headlight housing. For this step, we're doing the opposite of what we did with the halogen bulb. We're going to actually insert the light slightly to the left at an angle. This is so that it can be inserted in, and then once we're ready, we'll be able to turn it to fully lock it into place. You just have to take your time to aim it into the socket, and it will go fully straight in and almost slightly lock. You'll still be able to take the light out, but you will actually feel that it slightly locks into place if you've done it correctly. Now with the LED light inserted into place, we can now turn the bulb clockwise to the right to fully lock it in. Once this is done properly, you will actually hear a clicking sound, and that is basically telling you that the bulb is now locked into place and is now nice and secure. Now with the bulb locked into place, we're going to place the rest of the wiring harness, including the rectangular black box, which is the canvas, also into the housing. The last fit did come with zip ties in case you wanted to secure the canvas closer in contact with the wires, but I found that with the zip tie attached on, it was difficult to get the rectangular canvas actually into the housing. So for this install, I left everything detached from the zip tie. Now we're going to put back on the cap cover for the headlight housing. For this, we're going to place it onto the headlight housing same way we took it off, but we're going to twist it clockwise to the right to make sure it's nice and tight. This may take a little bit of effort, so also just take your time in this case and make sure it is secure. Here I wanted to talk briefly about the driver's side headlight housing. As you see, there's a lot less room over here. I actually removed the top of the fuse panel to get slightly more space to work with. This may only be possible, at least in my case it was doable, with some patience and of course having slightly thinner fingers. I do want to show one other way of approaching the driver's side, at least, and that involves going through the wheel well. Before this, you probably would have to turn the wheel into the right to have space, because you're going to be removing the wheel well liner clips. There's a couple clips that push in. You're gonna have to actually pop those out, and in order to release the wheel well liner and to reach through here to get to the headlight housing. There's also one underneath that you're also going to have to detach to fully pull this part back. So here, just wanted to show one of the harder steps of dealing with the driver's side if you don't go through the wheel well. And this is placing in the rectangular canvas to the underside of the headlight housing after you already have the bulb in and twisted and locked into place. So for this part, you really have to kind of push the wires in first so that you have space and room to push in the rest of the canvas. So this is just showing that process, that it is doable without going through wheel well liner, but as you see, it's very tight and you do have to kind of take your time and maneuver the canvas into place. Some overall impressions of the LED headlight bulbs for the 2023 Kia Forte GT line. It's definitely 5 out of 5. The last fit box and bulb themselves is very inviting and well put together. The lights are durable, and you see immediate results from driving. The mode is much brighter and safer. And as far as installing, there's more so issues with how tight the space was when you're trying to install it into the housing. But the last fit bulbs fit up just as the OEM's bulbs do. There's no issues on that side, and so far the driving has been great using using last fit's products.